coming in. Cook Neeraj is at CBI office again. Earlier, Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pitani was back at the DRDO guest house, which is the makeshift office of the CBI. Pitani is going to be quizzed by the agency for a second consecutive day, and Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty might also be summoned today. But the Cook Neeraj, he is being summoned at the moment. He's been brought to the DRDO guest house, which is the CBI office, the makeshift office, and he's being questioned. Pitani is going to be questioned for the third consecutive day, but Neeraj will be questioned for the third consecutive day. Rhea Chakraborty may be summoned today as well. So all the top suspects being questioned at the moment. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us for the very latest. Pankaj, this is absolutely intense. It looks like CBI is moving in a rather fast-paced, quick-paced developments coming in there from the DRDO. Pankaj.
Yes, Jyoti, this is a very big development. Neeraj, the cook, the person who had last interacted with the late actor, has been brought in yet again. Now, this will be the third time that Neeraj will be questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Also, I've been telling the viewers, Siddharth Pitani, yet another important witness in this case, is already inside. Now, in all probabilities, Dipesh is also going to be called, and all the three are going to be questioned yet again. Remember, all three of them were yesterday taken to that very flat where the late actor had taken the extreme step. Their statements were recorded there as well. Videographic evidence was taken, photographs was taken. The statements which the trio had earlier given to the Mumbai police are also being seen and taken note by the Mumbai police. And if there is any contradiction, even if the minutest of the contradiction appears in what they've been telling the CBI, then that is going to be big. That's going to be sensational. And today, the CBI is yet probing the case yet again since the morning hours. 7 CBI officials have entered. Of course, we'll tell the viewers that many forensic experts are residing at various parts of the city. The prime team is here at the DRDO facility, and there has been hectic activity since morning, Chaiti. 7 officials of the CBI are already inside. Now, what we are gathering from our sources is the fact that if everything falls into place, then perhaps Rhea Chakraborty, the most important character in the entire story, could be summoned today itself. But as I've been mentioning since morning, yet another important aspect today also remains whether the CBI team feels that the reconstruction of the crime scene that was done yesterday was satisfactory enough or not. If not, because as many experts are also pointing out that it is not easy if the experts are reaching at a particular place after more than 2 months to deduce whether this is
and where does the CBI stand as far as Samuel Miranda is concerned, Pankaj?
CBI has already questioned Samuel Miranda once. We are yet to hear whether he is going to be questioned yet again or not. This is a very important question that you asked, but we haven't heard anything from our sources in the CBI for now. Right now, the focus of CBI is really on Neeraj, on Dipesh, and on Siddharth Pitani. And as we've been telling from day one, once this part is over, once their statements have been checked, whether there is any similarity, whether there is any contradiction, after that, the most important witness, Rhea Chakraborty, the prime accused in the case, she is going to be summoned and questioned. So we have our team at Rhea Chakraborty's place as well. But for now, since the morning hours, there's hectic activity outside DRDO. 7 officials of the CBI are already inside. Forensic team is already inside. The entire evidence, the entire gamut of evidence that the Mumbai police has given to the CBI is being analyzed at this point of time, whether any contradictions appear. We'll repeat, Chaiti, this is the most important aspect. If any contradictions appear, then this is going to be big. It's going to be sensational, because that is going to give a totally different dimension to the probe of the CBI, whose focus right now is to find out whether this is a case of murder or suicide.
All right, we're going to keep tracking these developments very closely. Live visuals coming in from Mumbai at the moment. The cook Neeraj being grilled for the 3rd day. Siddharth Pitani grilled as well. And Rhea Chakraborty may be summoned today and questioned. All the prime suspects under the CBI lens, under the CBI radar.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.